Welcome back. Today is a very special day, not just because it's the fall equinox, but because today is Faya, my dog's 3rd birthday. Okay, and here she is when she was 8 weeks old. And now she's 3 years old. So she's very special, and we are going to be making her a delicious birthday cake that we're all going to enjoy. Here she is. She came to say hi. Hi, say hi. Hi. Okay, all right, that's enough. Here's what you're gonna need, okay? I got 2 pounds of local grass-fed beef. I have 1 sweet potato. I like the smaller ones because I think they taste better. Some frozen peas and some dog treats as decoration. You're also going to need a box grater to grate your sweet potato, a vegetable peeler, a mixing bowl, and a baking sheet. All right, let me show you how to do it. Once you got your sweet potato shaved and peeled, you're gonna wash it and then grate it with the biggest holes on your box grater, okay? You see that? You're grating your sweet potato and you're letting go of all the anger, all the pent-up anger that you've kept inside of you all day, okay? This is great. It's also a good arm workout. Forget the gym. Take a break. Take a break. You have a food processor? Use it. Okay, give this to Faya to see if she eats it.
Faya.
Okay. Put this in the sink. My hands are washed. Okay. All right. Here comes the fun part, Faya. Adding the beef. Here where I live, I'm pretty lucky to have a lot of happy cows roaming around. Just gonna add the whole thing, okay? So half of this mixture is gonna be for her, and then half of it is gonna be for us for dinner, okay? So once you add the beef, you're gonna add the frozen peas. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That should be about enough. Maybe like a cup of peas, a whole sweet potato, and 2 pounds of beef. Now you're gonna mix it. Mix it with your hands. Faya, you know it's your birthday. She knows it's her birthday. Okay, so while I was mixing it, I forgot one ingredient, an egg, okay? Crack it in there. It's gonna keep everything glued together. This is essentially like making a meatloaf. This is a meatloaf. But since it's for dogs, I'm not gonna put any seasoning in it. I'm gonna keep it pretty, what's it called? Holistic? Pretty natural. Okay. So you just want to mix till everything is nice and combined. This should take about 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, once you've mixed up your mixture, it should look something like this. Very beautiful. I just washed my hands. And now I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with this beef mixture. So I'm going to take about, I don't know, 3/4 of this, okay, and ball it up. You might lose a few peas, that's okay, right? And you're going to ball it up in your tray. Maybe a little bit more, because she's my special girl. Maybe push that aside, because that's going to be ours. Okay, now is the fun part. You're going to start rolling it and shaping it into a log, okay? And the goal is to get the center thinner than the outside. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make this look like a bone, like a little doggy bone, okay? Because she is my pride and joy. So she gets a very special doggy birthday cake. Look at that. There it is. I'm gonna weigh it out. It's pure beef right here. Okay. See that? It's shaped like a bone, right? That looks like a bone? Mm-hmm. Okay. I'm gonna wash my hands again. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna make it even more beautiful by decorating it with some of her dog food. Now go ahead and put this in a preheated 350-degree oven, and we're gonna bake it for about 20 minutes, okay? All right, now you're wondering, what do I do with the rest? This is for us humans. So, okay, so now for our meatloaf, we're gonna add some panko breadcrumbs. Okay, and this is to soak up all those delicious juices that's gonna come from the meat, right? Because this is 80-20 meat. I forgot to mention that earlier, but 80-20. Which means 80% fat, 80% meat, 20% fat. We're gonna put in some salt. About a healthy tablespoon or 2. No, 1 tablespoon. Then we're gonna put in some cracked black pepper. Can you tell I upgraded to these grated salt and pepper graters? Yeah, that's because I care. I care about you, okay? I care about what you think. And I know the internet's gonna chew me up. Okay, I want a lot of pepper though, so I'm gonna be here for a while. Looks about good. Okay. Then we got some steak sauce, okay? I was trying to find Worcestershire sauce, but don't have it, so I'm gonna use some steak sauce for flavor. Then here we got some garlic salt. Okay. Yum. Then you want something to give it a little kick, right? You can use any type of chili pepper you like, but I've been really into chipotle powder, okay? So give your food a nice teaspoon, or 2, or 3 of chili pepper, alright? Depends on how spicy you like it. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, now we smush. Okay, and how do you know when your meatloaf's seasoned right? You gotta smell it. Smells good. Okay. Oh, you know what? Want to try something new? Let's put nutritional yeast in here. Let's give it a try. Why not? This is a new recipe I made up right now. Pour it in there. Don't be shy. Yeah, okay, that's good. Okay. I still think it needs soy sauce, which is in the refrigerator. When I'm making American food, it's really hard for me to not put like Asian or Mexican flavors into it, because those are my two favorite foods, you know? Yes, that's soy sauce. Okay, put it in. Don't be shy. Okay, good. Alright, that should be good. You gotta flavor your food, okay? You can't be shy. You can't be shy to flavor your food. Okay? See? Meatballs. Okay. It's got a good smell to it. Smells cheesy, savory. Smells good. Smells flavorful. Okay, so now I'm gonna roll them out into balls. Okay, so plan B. I'm not gonna bake it after all. I'm going to fry it into my cast iron. And we're going with an Italian theme now. Okay? So once you got your balls formed, give it a good sear. I'm getting a pot of water boiling over here for some pasta. Okay? And I'm choosing rigatoni. So after 20 minutes, your special dog cake meatloaf concoction should be ready to pull out of the oven. Oh yeah, baby. Look at this goodness. I'm gonna let it cool here for about 30 minutes before I give it to my dog. You don't want to feed your dog this while it's hot. You want it to cool down fully before you give this to your dog. So at least 30 minutes. And she's over here drooling. Look at her. It's gonna be good. It smells good. Okay, so after I've seared these meatballs, I'm going to put them back on the baking tray, and I'm going to put them in the oven to fully bake.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Faya. Happy birthday to you.
And
Many more.
Okay, let's get a close-up of Faya eating this. So cute. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Faya.
Happy birthday,
She doesn't know
Faya.
what to do. Get in here. Get the shot.
I think those got cooked onto the pan.
Yeah, it cooled. Looks good.
Yeah, like
She's making it look really tasty.
peas in there too.
Mm-hmm. Peas, sweet potato, dog treats, beef, grass-fed, local, organic beef.
She just helped it.
Yeah.
That's fun.
Mm-hmm. Happy birthday, Faya.
Happy birthday.
Okay. And the adults get to eat, what is this called? Rigatoni and meatballs. Yay! Happy
Yay.
happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Faya.
Faya, are you just enjoying the sun? Are you just enjoying your time in the sun? Aw, it's a good girl. You're a good girl. Mama loves you. Mama loves you, good